What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Style the Body. Hope everybody's doing good. If you are new here, welcome. Join the family. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys will get the notification and you won't miss any new videos, cause I have a lot of videos in store for you guys. So today's video is going to be, first of all, if you see me with the setup, with this layout, then it means that it's going to be an unboxing video. So grab a glass of wine and join me, okay? Cheers. Okay, so today's video, like I said, you guys could tell from the title, is going to be an unboxing. Put this wine here. So initially I was gonna vlog the whole experience because I went to the store, to the Dior store in Soho, in New York, to order these pair of sandals, but unfortunately they didn't have it in my size, so I had to have them order it from a different store and have it shipped to me. So of course I couldn't vlog the whole process. Oh yeah. Thank you. It came in the mail, yes, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So if you want to see the rest of this video, keep watching. Okay guys, so this is how it came in the box. It's been wrapped so beautifully. I love it. Love it. Okay. So it came with an additional receipt, even though I had one already from the store. So the sandals itself is $6.90 plus tax. It came to $751.24. So it's $6.90, and then with tax it came up to $751.24. Okay, so let's open it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to do this on camera. Voila. Okay. So this is what we have. What is this? The card. Then we have the dust bag. Yep. And so let me give you guys a clue. I bought the Dior Dway sandal in color deep blue. Dior Dway sandal in the color deep blue. Initially I wanted the burgundy one. Didn't have it in the store. Like I said, I wear a size 40. Yeah, like a size 9. They only have small sizes and everything in the store. So this is in the color I really wanted, but that's what she found in another store. That's what the sales associate found in another store for me. So yeah, I wanted the burgundy one or the one that has like the gold color. Okay, so this is it right here. Yeah, that's the logo right here. So I had been seeing, you know, a lot of people with the sandals, and I was like, oh, do I want to get it? Do I not want to get it? But also, I settled with the blue, even though they didn't have the burgundy color that I wanted. I settled with the blue because I have a purse, a Dior purse, it's very old, vintage purse that is also blue like this. Yeah, this purse right here is super old. I got this from like a consignment store in the city a very, very long time ago. So you could see that it kind of like matches with this. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just get the blue. So yeah, even though I've seen a lot of people pairing this with the saddle, the Dior saddle bag, which I still want. It's on my wish list, but yeah, I didn't get that yet, and I can always rock it with this. So, and even if I get the Dior saddle bag, I wouldn't get the blue color. I'll probably get a different color. So yes, I think they're cute though. I'm gonna put it on my feet and show you guys what it looks like. So I'm gonna put this on and then show you guys. But yeah, I love the logo written. I love how they put the logo right here. It's really sturdy, like it's not, you know, you could tell it's quality. Like this is something that you're gonna wear for a very, very long time. Like if I invest, whenever I buy like a luxury item or like a designer item, I want something that's like, you know, gonna last for a long time. And like this is like sold out, especially the big sizes are like sold out almost everywhere. Like you have to literally be on the hunt for them. When I ordered them from the store, it didn't come, it came after 2 weeks, so it took 2 weeks for me to get it. But yeah, I love them. Like I am literally obsessed with these right now. Yep. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn your notification bell on. I'm gonna have these type of videos whenever, you know, I buy something that is worth sharing. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.